So today we're going to be creating with some of the items that I received from happycraftershop.com. So this is the ready to be dangle. They come looking like this in the package. It has the chain, the clasp, and a little charm. So this one I did complete to share with you guys. And look at how pretty these come out. So these little cage beads are from her shop. So is this little frosty one right here. So I just thought that came out really, really cute. So what I did for this one was I put beads on both sides of the chain on the same link. And I'll show you guys that right now in a second. So that's how that one came out. And then I did add a extra little dangle as well. So I thought this was so cute. So I figured we will do the little unicorn together. So you can do these a bunch of different ways when you are putting the beads on the chain. You can do what I did on this one. So what I did was I went right here to the chain. And then I did beads on this one, skip that one. So bead on the left, bead on the right, skip one. Bead on the left, bead on the right, skipped one link. And then the second one down, bead on the left, bead on the right. Or you can do what I'm going to do this time is I'm going to do one on the left, go one link down, one on the right, one link down on the left, one link down on the right. So I'm going to kind of like zigzag it. Or you can put a bead on every single little chain link on both sides. And then it'll be super duper chunky and beautiful. It's kind of up to you on how you want to go ahead and put this together. I think I'm going to go ahead and take it off of the card. So I took mine off of the card and look at the charm. This thing is nice and thick. I really like the quality of her little charms right here. I don't feel like I'm going to break it when I'm working with it. So I love that. So he already wrapped some of the beads. So here we have those little cage beads. They come in blue, yellow, purple, and pink. Like I said, I do have a coupon code for her site. It is VAGABOND10, so you could go ahead and save some money there. And then these little frosted ones are also from her site as well. So those are really pretty. This little bow charm came off of her site as well. This was in a mystery bag that was sent to me. So lots of really good stuff. Every first of the month, she puts out her new products. So just, you know, be alert, put a little alarm in your phone so you could go ahead and get alerted to all the new products. She does do specials and special sales on her Instagram. So make sure you follow that. I'll leave a link down below to her website. I'll also link her Instagram because, like I said, just randomly she'll have like some little extra products that she's just trying to, you know, de-stash or that she found. And you could go ahead and just jump on right on there and, you know, go ahead and pick up some items that way as well. So to do this, like I said, I am going to start at the top here. And then I am just going to add a charm on either side. So I usually start with the left. So I'll go ahead and I'll put one on the left. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to close that off right there. Then I'm going to grab my next little bead dangle, grab my jump ring, and then I will be placing that over on the right side. So when you open your jump rings, you need to twist apart and not pull apart. So you want to go ahead and twist because you want to be able to keep that ring shape to it. You don't want to lose that. So we're going to go right here. So see, oops, I grabbed the bead, not the little clasp. So our bead is right here on the left side of that loop. So we're going to go one chain link down and we are going to hook this on the right side. So let's see, where's our chain? We're going to go right here to the right. We're going to add this on and then we are going to twist that close. So I'm going to go ahead and do that for the rest of this and I'll be back to show you guys what it looks like when it's all completed. Okay, so here's my little chunky charm all complete. I hope you guys are able to kind of see what I was doing, even though I sped up the video there. So I always check it as I'm going along just to see how the beads are falling. So you might have seen me just kind of like pick it up, shake it out, and move everything around. I like to see how everything's going to be laying as I put it on. And then at the end here, I always leave a couple links empty because I don't like to cover my main little charm, which would be my little unicorn here. So I always leave a couple empty, and I check it by, you know, shaking it out and seeing how all the beads fall, that it is not covering up my beautiful little focal charm right there. So that's just kind of what I do, and I go through. So you can see the difference here. This one has a lot less beads, and I did, you know, one on the left, one on the right, skipped a link, and then went to the next link and one on the left, one on the right. And you see that there's a lot less on here, but I love it because I was able to add this extra little dangle, where on this one, I did one link left, one link right, you know, just going down back and forth like this. So I personally like this one better. It is more chunky and just more beads and more fun. You can see I do have 2 left. I made 2 extra. So I actually am going to go in and just see where I can fit those in. So again, I'm going to just kind of like shake out my little charm, and shaking it out also helps me see if any are going to fall apart. In case I didn't close a jump ring all the way, giving it a little shake, sometimes they'll come off, and then I know, okay, I need to go and tighten that up in that spot. So I'm going to see where can I add my extra little beads here. I think I'm going to add one at the top here. So I'm going to do this purple, yellow, blue one. And I'm going to go right up to the top. And I'm just going to add this one there. And like they're all done, and they were intended to, you know, put on this charm. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, even though I filled up all my little links that I wanted to. You know, it's a little hard to see how many you're going to need exactly, because like I say, I wait to see how they fall, and I try to make sure that I don't cover my little charm there. So sometimes I need to make more at the end, and sometimes I have too many extra. So let's throw another one, let's say about here, and we'll add that purple one there. And we're just going to go ahead and twist that close, and I twist it until the jump ring lines up. I don't know if you can see right there, but I try to make sure that my jump ring is closed. So here's where the 2 pieces meet, and it kind of just looks like one little circle. That way I can kind of make sure that my little charms and my beads are not going to be falling off of the jump ring. And then give it a little shake to make sure nothing falls off. And there we go. There is our little chunky charm tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, you can find these items over at happycraftershop.com, and then you can use coupon code VAGABOND10. And every first of the month, sometimes at midnight, sometimes the next morning, is when the new products will be dropped. So if you just happen to be awake, just go ahead and check the site and see what you guys can find. I can't wait to see what she comes out with for next month. All right, we'll see you later. Bye, guys.